Hey guys, it's Frescobaldi. I want to show you this interesting trick in which I've dreamed up for my vocal chops. So I have 4 tracks here, and each one has an array of plugins. There's one in particular that I find to be pretty special. So this is the guitar solo from Waves, and right now the amp is bypassed, so this guy is not running. But this guy is. This is the Pitcher Stomp Box, and I have it at an octave down at 34% wet. Okay, so let's get that before and after going here. Alright, so that second time around, they got awfully weighty and more present. I would say that is the desired effect. Now let us hear it within the mix. Okay, so to my ear it sounds better with the stomp box engaged. Let's get more of a definite sense of what's going on. So let's take a look at this audio spectrum. Okay, so I'm going to A-B it just as I did before. I want you to pay attention to about this range of the audio spectrum. Okay, here we are. And so with the stomp box engaged, we have more information on the spectrum, especially in the mids to low mids. So we're thinking 170 to about 450 and beyond. And I think it sounds better this way. Alright, so I hope you found this to be helpful. This technique was inspired by Sylvia Massy, who is a very highly acclaimed record producer. I'll link the video below. I watched it some time ago and it kind of stuck with me. So, okay, that's got it. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.